Una good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Anthony. You are welcome to First State Immigrant Solution. So the reason why me come today be say I say I can't tell us concerning a casa de integrazione. So anybody where they know say that they a casa integrazione, the government also say the way they pay them. Now I want to explain So one, you will first go this website where I want to call so, which is www.adiconsum.it, which is adiconsum.it. adiconsum.it. Wetin that one mean say na there you take check whether your list of bank where government want to pay true, because government make an agreement say they will fair talk to banks, make they fair pay the money before the government will pay those banks. So this agreement where they make so, how you tell no say your bank they among now make you take go this site. If the list of bank where they your own they among, you know say they get this agreement. If they get this agreement and you now move to the second stage, what will be second stage? You tell your bank where they among this list so may they give you the form where you will fit to apply for this Casa integration. May they fit pay you on time. They will give you one form. You carry that form, go your working place. They will stamp am. Your boss will stamp am with their company stamp, and they will sign am. Then if you don't sign am finish, they will give you will see sign am. Then you can carry and go to the bank again. So that means say whenever the money don't due, the bank will first drop the money for that account where you open with them before government will pay them. And this procedure so it take reach 60 to 90 days before they drop them. So for those people where they know say they get account with post office, their own not they among this list. Those people need to go open another account, or call them say urgent account, where go be the one way the fit get money for this period, because everywhere don't red. All account they show red now. I don't know about now, my own already they show the red. The red don't even too red now. Don't even they go they reach waiting red past red. Don't they go black. So Mona quick start the process now. Now make me talk say Mona start now. Then another thing again, after you don't start now, you don't submit the form to the bank. Then another thing we're supposed to still know concerning whether they'll give the money or who go fit apply, who no fit apply. I felt to say those people where they know say their contract don't finish, they don't renew again, they'll fit apply for disoccupation. While those people where they know say they get contract of cocoa, they get agricultural contract, which is farm work, they get other contract where related to maybe they work for what they call them, all those tourism. If they work for any other work where you know say you know they get money, or you get your own particular either. The 600 where you apply 2 weeks ago, now government told say they start to give the money one after the other. So una money they don't start to share on small. So first batch they will share for 11 region now. So the rest of that batch before they reach Friday or Monday, they'll cover the rest of that 9 region where you still remain. Then after you don't submit those forms for your bank, wait till you know say whether you meet up with the requirement now what or so. If you know say you get contract where you know say your contract na life contract and it dey more than 90 days and above where they give you this life contract, or when you get this contract where they call tempo indeterminato, tempo determinato, or intermittente contract, where they 90 days and above, those people go fit apply for a Casa Integrazione Ordinaria, which means say ordinary layoff. This ordinary layoff, so those people now government will fit pay through bank. While those people wey get contract wey see they be life contract, but the contract never reach 90 days, those people go the government can put them for in deroga. Means say now his go decide those their case when they want to pay them, whether it be indeterminato, intermittente, or determinato, but e dey less than 90 days wey you get that contract. Then una own dey in deroga wey government go through ins go still decide on wetin dem go do. So na that one be those ones. So make you start to dey move now because everywhere the money wey dey pay us e don already finish. 2 months now one dey go now, the money never really dey show. So una start to dey do the procedure one after the other before the money go come. Now say me I tell una the process wey you go do wey dey take pay this money in anticipo or on time. Now make me come drop this thing. I will see drop the website where you take control the bank, whether your bank dey. The another thing again where I want you to quickly add now concerning coronavirus. If you know say you dey Italy or you dey camp or you dey anywhere where you know say a lot of people dey that place, or people they go out, they go in, they fit dey monitor how many people dey where you don't meet with, and you know they 100% sure say the coronavirus whether you get them, because the symptom not dey show for face unless it don't reach the time where you go take affect that person. Wetin I advise me you now do be say, including me, wanna go do the coronavirus test wey they call tampone. If una don do tampone, if the tampone the result come out say rilevato, if the right say rilevato means say the person tested positive, the right answer say rilevato means say the person tested positive. Either the right say rilevato or the right say positive. So the test wey you will tell them say you want do, if you go any place where they do this test, tell them say you want do this coronavirus SARS-CoV-2 RNA genoma or tampone nasopharyngeal test. May I not go cut my mouth. Those tests na medical terms. You have to say tampone or coronavirus test. So those two things, now the one, these two things, so you either put some for your nose or your saliva. Now they test the person whether you get them, and the result the right hand say rilevato or positive. So if you know say you don't do your test, please say make you take cover your mouth and wear hand glove. Make sure say you stay this distance and all those other measures. Say make they wash hand and all those things. But if you come to us say you no want allow they test you because of say you dey fear or you can't create problems, so you no want test you, make they not go put coronavirus for your body or vaccine or this, that, those fake rumors where our people they carry up and down. You they create problem for yourself, because if the symptoms not show, now the time we go take show, if you don't weak you for ground, it go dey difficult for somebody come take revive, because the thing they shock person, it they suffocate somebody according to the people where they say they don't get them. So now make me tell say if una dey anywhere, whether na dey camp, they talk say they want come test una, una not fear, they don't want kill una. They want only test una, make they take know the people will get them or not. If they bring new person come on a camp, make sure so una told them say this person wanna they bring come, so una make sure so una ask them say he get the virus or not with the documentation, because by law they're not supposed to bring anybody come on a camp or take away person from a camp if you don't get the virus. Because if you get the virus, they will carry the person come up on a camp, go isolate them for or quarantine for one place, make the thing not spread, follow the rest of that people will not get them. But if they come to us, if they want to bring another person away from outside, come, wanna share on the aisle, the mask where they share, they go, wanna measure so na use and take protect myself. Because you know if you tell breeze where you go carry person speed waka pass. You understand? The breeze where they waka, you know if you tell and say which direction you fit go, not if you go here, come this side, no, not if you go this side, go that side. The breeze they waka burukere, they waka anyhow. So I pray may the breeze not waka reach where our people dey in Jesus' name. So more than not say, you know, they carry African people, a lot of people where they affect now for America, a lot of them are black. So man, na make me say coronavirus e dey, and e dey affect our people, even here for Italy where we see this. So Mona, not forget, Mona go do test. The test, it don't the cost now. Most of hospital where they do test now, the money na free if you know say they can. So Mona go do one, and if una don't do the test, una still play safe so that Mona no go dey waka up and down, go dey group una self say una wan see discuss say una no get am. So now this little message now say me I can't drop for this evening. Me I take educate us concerning wetin dey go on how we go take get the money, because the money wey government say they wan pay us, they never pay drop am. So they thought say it go come before Easter for those people wey dey autonomous. Now they start to do the payment. Maybe before it go reach person hand now, it don reach Friday or next week. So we don already day 15. Before it reach that time now, everything don ready finish. You understand? So una not forget to hit the subscribe button. If una no understand wetin I talk, so una fit drop una comment, so that if I come on board again, I'll first start with that question una ask, or I'll answer una direct for this platform. Don't forget, First Aid Immigrant Solution still remain the anchor man, Anthony. Una bye bye.